Alright guys, so I'm back again at the Watchtower, and this time I've brought my chainsaw, and that's because I want to speed things up, you know, because my hunting buddies here in the village already asked me, when is the hunting blend ready? We want to go hunting here, and hunting season already has started. And this is why I have brought the chainsaw, because with the chainsaw it's much faster to build a thing like this. And also I want to practice my chainsaw skills, because it has been quite a time. The last time is really long ago since I've used a chainsaw, and yeah, I want to, you know, practice my chainsaw skill again, because I really believe that it's a very important survival skill for long-term survival or for homesteading. Today I'm going to use my Stihl MS-170. It's pretty lightweight and perfect for a woman like me. And I'm also going to use my helmet and special trousers, which are cut protection against chainsaws. And then here I have my other stuff that I need for the chainsaw, you know, fuel. And today I also brought this here, a drill and more nails, because I want to pre-drill the holes, then it's easier to use the nails. Okay, so now let's check the chainsaw, how much fuel I have in it. Okay, so I think I'm not going to use this one because it's too rotten. You can see here that 1/3 of the wood is already gone, and yeah, I'd rather not use this one. It's looking okay at this side, but up there it's too rotten. I'm sweating my ass off here. It's so hot and humid. Insects are biting me all the time. Oh, this is a whole lot of work. Even with the chainsaw, it's a lot of work. I'm really looking forward to when the Watchtower is done. bomb-proof. I cannot move it anymore. I cannot lift it. That's pretty good. I can see everything from here. I can see behind the shelter, and also I can see down into the creek. Perfect. Perfect. So I think I do one more layer and then I stop it. Okay folks, the platform is done. Well, I still need some poles to go across the hole, of course, but the basic platform is done, and I'm going to let it be at this height. It's more than enough to be able to hunt down into the creek and even to hunt back to the hill here. So yeah, I'm really happy with my new platform. I think it's pretty stable. I cannot really move it anymore, and I also have driven in some posts to secure it even more from going down the hill. And yeah, next time I'm going to secure it even more. That's the plan. I even thought about cutting a door into one of the sides here, maybe like right here. Then you can also enter the inside of the watchtower, and yeah, it would be a panic room or something against wild animals. But we don't have any bears here in my area, so that's something that you could do if you have a lot of bears, making a panic room. Okay, yeah, I think I'm going to go home now because a thunderstorm is approaching. It's coming from the side. The general wind direction is this, by the way. So it's coming from here, the wind is coming from here, which is perfect because then the game, which is over there, will never smell me, or almost never. So all of the time the wind is coming from this direction, and that's really good. So it's not changing or anything. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned till next time. I'm getting out of here.